In 2013, Apple introduced Touch ID alongside the iPhone 5S. It was a fast and secure way to unlock your phone and authorize payments using just your fingerprint. But in 2017, with the launch of the iPhone X, Touch ID was replaced by a new form of biometric authentication, Face ID. Since then, every flagship iPhone has come with Face ID only, and many users are still asking, why hasn't Apple brought the fingerprint sensor back? Was it a technical decision, a design one, or something related to security? To understand Apple's decision, we need to look at the company's philosophy. Apple promotes simplicity and consistency and prefers a single, well-integrated system over multiple parallel options. Face ID was designed to do everything Touch ID did, but in a smoother, more secure way. It uses a combination of infrared light, a dot projector, and the true depth camera to create a three-dimensional map of your face. That means it doesn't just see your face. It measures its shape, size, and depth. Apple claims that the chance of someone unlocking your iPhone with a similar fingerprint was 1 in 50,000. But with Face ID, that chance drops to 1 in 1 million. And because our faces change over time, Face ID is built to learn. It can still recognize you even if you grow a beard, wear glasses, or put on a hat. But why not offer both? Even though Face ID works well in most situations, there are moments when a fingerprint would simply be more convenient, like when your phone is on the desk and you don't want to pick it up, or when the angle isn't quite right. Android phones have offered both face unlock and fingerprint sensors for years, either under the screen or built into the side button. But on iPhone, that kind of flexibility is missing. Did Apple test under-display fingerprint sensors? Yes. According to several sources, including Bloomberg, Apple began testing under-display Touch ID technology in 2019. But, as we've seen before, Apple prefers not to launch a feature unless it works flawlessly. If it's not fast enough, reliable enough, or perfectly integrated, it won't make it into the final product. Will Touch ID return to the iPhone? It's possible. Apple still uses Touch ID in other devices, like the iPad Air and iPad mini, integrated neatly into the power button. But on iPhone, if Apple can't deliver an experience that matches the seamless nature of Face ID, it's unlikely we'll see its return. Touch ID was a great piece of technology, but to Apple, Face ID represents a more advanced, more secure, and more deeply integrated solution. Still, many users would prefer to have a choice, and that's an area where Android continues to lead in flexibility. Could we see Touch ID on the iPhone 17? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a like and subscribe for more explainer videos.